There's 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What do you mean you don't understand?
Didn't do what, man? Explain me.
There's 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
I don't want to. I don't know. I don't know. Okay?
Okay.
Who cares? Who cares? Who cares, huh?
Okay, look.
Who cares? Why are you laughing like this? Like
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
little donkey.
There's 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Oh, 10.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it.
10.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
High five.
High five. Air five. Air five.
Tell high five.
Yeah, you got it.